Hey guys, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I am Bharti. In the second session of Yoga Dance series, we'll continue from where we left last time. Before you start, make sure you have warmed up a bit and have practiced what we learned last time. Once you have done that, let's hop onto the mat and get going. Let's quickly do what we learnt last time. Come into child's pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and roll up. We end in downward dog. From here, lift your right foot off the ground and bend the right knee. Then start extending the right foot towards the sky as high as you can go. Then fold the leg again and bring the right knee close to your chest. Place your right foot under the left arm and then just let it slide forward so that you can come to a wide-legged sitting position. Let's try this once more. Come to downward dog. Lift the right foot and extend it up to the sky. Swing the right leg in and then slide the right foot under the left arm. From here, we will do some side bends again. As you inhale, bring the left arm up, and as you exhale, bend laterally to the right. Make sure you are not falling forward. To avoid that, place your right elbow on the inside of the right thigh and use that support to keep rotating your torso up. Come back and repeat it for the other side. Inhale, bring the right arm up. Exhale, bend to the left. We will do this once more on each side. Then place both your hands behind your hips and then taking support of the hands, sweep the right leg in to bring both legs together in Dandasana. From here, we will do a Matsasana variation to recline fully down. Keeping your hands behind your hips, drop your head back and start lowering your elbows down. Bring the crown of your head to the floor and then slowly slide your head down to come into Shavasana. Let's do this once more. Come to Dandasana and then lower your head down in 4 counts. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do this with music from top. Come to downward dog. 3, 2, 1. Leg up. Leg down to wide-legged sitting. Side bends. Sweep right leg in. Drop head down to come to Shavasana. Now we will do 4 leg raises. Place both hands next to your hips. Take a deep breath in And as you exhale, raise both legs up to 90 degrees. Then slowly bring them down. We will do this 4 times, each in counts of 4. So we go up 1, 2, down 3, 4. Up 1, 2, down 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try this with music. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now we'll do 3 counts of yogic bicycle. Bring both hands behind your head and raise both your feet to bring knees at 90-degree angle. Then bring the left knee in and touch it with your right elbow. Then bring the right knee in and touch it with the left elbow. Repeat 2 more times for each side. Then bring both knees in and hug them with your arms to come to Pavan Muktasana. Now start rolling forward and backward. Try to gain momentum with each roll so that you're able to come to your feet when you roll forward. In the 4th roll, push your feet down, take your arms up and raise up into chair pose. From here, rise all the way up and bring hands to heart center. Let's do this along with leg raises with music. Come to Shavasana. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up 1, 2, down 3, 4. Up 1, 2, down 3, 4. Three rounds of yogic bicycle. And grab knees and start rolling. Finally, push up to chair pose and Tadasana. Great. Now let's do this with music. From the top, come to downward dog. 3, 2, 1. Leg up. Leg down to wide-legged sitting. Side bends. Sweep right leg in. Drop head down to come to Shavasana. Leg raises. Three rounds of yogic bicycle. And grab knees and start rolling. Finally, come to chair pose and Tadasana. Awesome. That's all we have for today. Do keep practicing. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.